This is not just a new BMW. It is the most radical change the brand has ever made. No engine sound, no exhaust note, just silence. And yet, this car costs more than most houses in some countries. This is the BMW i7. And in 2026, it represents a new definition of luxury. If you enjoy luxury car stories, the evolution of iconic brands, and the machines built for the world's elite, this channel is for you. Now let's talk about how BMW arrived here. For decades, the BMW 7 Series stood at the top of BMW's lineup. This was not a car for everyone. It was built for power, authority, and prestige. In the late 1990s, the BMW 7 Series E38 defined what executive luxury looked like. It had a strong presence, a powerful engine under the hood, and a design that demanded respect. At the time, it was expensive, exclusive, a symbol of success. Today, a clean BMW 7 Series E38 sells for around $15,000 to $40,000. Not because it failed, but because the world moved forward. Luxury is no longer just about power. Modern luxury is about calm, technology, and experience. BMW understood this shift earlier than most people realize, and that understanding created the BMW i7. Step inside the BMW i7, and the priorities become clear. This car is not designed around the steering wheel. It is designed around the back seat. Soft, ambient lighting fills the cabin. Crystal-style controls replace traditional buttons. Then, a 31-inch, 8K theater screen slowly lowers from the ceiling. At this moment, the price makes sense. This is not transportation. This is a private cinema on wheels. The BMW i7 is fully electric. There is no vibration, no mechanical noise, no drama. Just smooth, effortless movement. The silence is intentional. In 2026, silence is not weakness, it is power, and power no longer needs to announce itself. The classic BMW 7 Series used sound to communicate status. The engine spoke before the driver did. The BMW i7 does the opposite. It removes noise, removes effort, removes stress. One era valued presence, the other values peace. Both are luxury, just in different times. BMW understands today's luxury buyer, people who spend more time being driven than driving, people who value comfort over control, people who want technology to disappear into the background. The BMW E7 is not made for enthusiasts. It is made for decision makers, and that is why it exists. So here's the real question. Would you rather hear your luxury or feel it? In 2026, BMW believes the answer is silence. The BMW 7 Series did not lose its identity. It evolved from power to presence to peace. This is BMW's quiet revolution.